If you're a chocolate lover or you know somebody who is, I have the most easy, excellent dessert for you. My mini dark chocolate ganache tartlets take 15 minutes to make in one pot. So no stress, easy cleanup, and they are sure to impress anybody who's a chocolate lover. I've had lots of people make these from different healthy cooking workshops I've done, and they bring them to parties and everyone is so impressed, and they never need to tell them how ridiculously easy it was to make this recipe. So let's get into it. We just need a handful of easy ingredients, and I'm going to show you fun ways to add different flavor twists and toppings to them too. The secret to making these so simple is one of my favorite ingredients that I always have on hand in my freezer. Mini phyllo shells. Now you guys, these are pre-made. You can get these in the freezer section at your supermarket. Usually buy like the pie crust and the frozen fruit. For my Weight Watchers WW friends out there, they are one smart point for two, and you can fill them with sweet or savory things. So you should definitely check out my video on the easiest ever party apps for some really fun ways to use these. You can use any kind of chocolate you want for this recipe. Conveniently, I created this recipe to use one whole bar that you can chop up. You could use flavored versions here too if you wanted, like sea salt or orange or raspberry or salted caramel, whatever you like. But here's a time saver for you. You can also just use your basic old chocolate chips for this, and I'm going to show you how to use either the bar or to measure out the chips. All you need to do with the phyllo shells to get started, we're going to bake them for just a few minutes to kind of get that freezer taste off of them. 3 to 4 minutes, 350-degree oven. It's traditional ganache, has so much heavy cream and butter in it, you would be blown away. So the way that we're going to make it here at Happy Meets Healthy is using low-fat milk and just a little bit of butter to get that chocolate into a rich, fudgy, delicious ganache consistency. So in a small saucepan over high heat, you're going to heat a little bit of milk and melt some butter. You're going to stir it occasionally just until the milk bubbles and the butter melts. Then you reduce the heat to low, and we're going to stir in our chocolate and vanilla extract until it's combined and luscious. Okay, we're going to let the chocolate mixture cool slightly just on the countertop for a minute or two, and then we're going to add it to our shells. Okay guys, let's have some fun with toppings now. You can use things like crushed candy canes, crushed Oreos, coarse sea salt, a little bit of caramel if you wanted to, whipped cream, raspberries. The options are endless. Okay guys, this is a really fun part if you're feeling a little bit stressed out, or a good way to get the kids involved if they're helping you. You can put some candy or candy canes in a baggie, and then you're gonna crush them on a cutting board with a rolling pin or a glass measuring cup or a mug to a little fine crumb to use to put on top. Here's a bonus of these too. You can let them cool in the tray that they come in. It makes them very easy to take to parties too. One of the most fun things about this recipe, you can use all different flavors of chocolate to give it a different flavor twist. You could put a little bourbon in instead of the vanilla extract if you wanted. And when it comes to the toppings, you could make one batch and put a bunch of different toppings across all of them to please everybody at the party. You guys, I really hope you make this recipe. I promise they're gonna be amazing and delicious. They're that easy. And I would love it if you would snap a picture and tag me. And that way I can reach out and high five you over the interwebs. Just tag me on Instagram, on Facebook, or on Twitter, or let me know in the comments below what you think. Okay guys, now that you see how easy it is to make this recipe, you totally have to try my mini pumpkin pie cheesecake recipe. It's done in a muffin tin, less than a half an hour, and so simple to take to a party right in the tin. Plus, I offer other flavor variations if you don't happen to like pumpkin flavored desserts. You guys, thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time where Happy Meets Healthy. True confession, my daughters make fun of me because I will take like their Halloween candy and sprinkle it with some salt before I eat it. Things like Snickers, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time on Where Happy Meets Healthy.